Hey, what's up guys? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be working on a spring doorstop. Sometimes you might want to replace one, or maybe you don't have one at all. We'll show you how to put one in. So real simple, we'll kind of reverse engineer this. These things are pretty easy. We're just going to go ahead and take this part right here and turn it to the left so it's unscrewed, right? So lefty-loosey. All right, and then you'll see that there's a little Phillips head screw right here that I'm going to go ahead and turn to the left again to loosen it. Sometimes people want to change the spring door stop because it's not the right color or it's broken, whatever it is. But let's say you didn't have one, you can go ahead and take a screw, mark where you want it to be, kind of push it in there, get like a little starter hole. If you have a little drill, you can go ahead and drill a starter hole too. All right, but anyway, so let's say I got a new one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. Get the screw started, turning it to the right now, righty-tighty. Take your Phillips head screwdriver, and we'll tighten that up, and you'll see there's like this little hole right here. That's where the beginning of the spring goes in. Now I'll make sure that stays on camera. There we go. You take the beginning of the spring that you see, this piece right here, and we'll just kind of put that wire right in there, turn it to the right, and you've got yourself a spring doorstop. All right, have a great rest of the day, guys.